Hold on.
Don't be flip-flopping with rough rides each day. Grand directions with a change of pace. Then as you start the race for a new face, you don't.
Toast to the ones who gave. Toast to the ones that they lost on the way. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back you.
Tell us what you're gonna do.
I will be able, with what is remaining, to craft gritty. I have it. I have the power. I have the strength. With the power of my will, I will make it be. It will be. And it will be glorious as the rising sun. Rise! 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 Ah. From the ashes, from the scraps, they said it could not be done, but it has.
Well, that's what we're doing here.
Yeah.
We cut our laps out, cut the laps out, and maybe burn.
This is the most delicate part of the procedure.
It is done. My greatest creation. It is complete. It is there. I have achieved it. I have a towering achievement that will be recorded in the history books. For thousands to see. For years to come. It is done. It is done and it has risen. It has risen and it is glorious. It is glorious. Glory be the day when my creations brought to the world.